So you might be trying to go ahead and actually change payment method on Spotify. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. I don't know why, but in some reason I can change method on Spotify apps. So we can change it on Google. You can open up Google on your specific device, on phone, on laptop or your computer. So it doesn't matter. In my specific case, I just open up my Chrome browser and then in Google search I write update payment method Spotify and then search it. If you do it on your laptop, don't worry about that. So what do we need to do next? You just step on update payment method details in first link from Spotify support, and then you will see this little information how you can update your payment details. So you just tap on account page here and then of course enter your login and enter your password. So what we need to do next, just tap on login on this green icon. On my example I don't have premium, but if you have a premium I show you how you can change it. I just prepare a screenshot for you. This you can see this little option. You can see like on screenshot you just tap on this update button if you already have premium, and next step is you just choose your payment method, credit or debit card or whatever, enter your card new card number, experience date, security code and all your card or debit card information. Alright, if you don't have already premium, you just need to join premium. You just tap on join premium here or in this green button here, but make sure you are logging it in. Then just get premium and here you will see this specific icon. Here select credit or debit card of course, and then you should enter these details about your payment method and then just tap on buy now. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.